Welcome to this tutorial on how to use phpMyAdmin. This is a tool that helps you to manage your databases in DirectAdmin. To get started, log into your DirectAdmin and scroll to Extra Features. Now click on phpMyAdmin. This tool will help you to manage tables, will be able to run queries, and will help you to understand the server that your database is running on. This interface has four major sections: this left-hand column, this middle column, the right-hand column here, and the topmost part of the interface. The right-hand column will tell you about the database server. In this case, we are using MariaDB. It also tells you about the web server. In this case, it's Lightspeed. It also tells you the version of phpMyAdmin that we are using. In this case, it's 5.22. The topmost part gives you the basic functions and some menu items that will help you to navigate around to your database. Take, for instance, you can use the export or import function to export your SQL files or import tables into the server. You can use the SQL menu item to run queries on your database. On the left-hand side, it lists for you the database that you have on your system. When you click on any database, it gives you the database tables, while here, I'm able to tick or list. By clicking here, I'm able to either delete, copy table, export, drop, repair table, and so on and so forth. I'm also able to highlight all the tables and run the same commands on them. For example, exporting them or dropping them. You'll be able to interact with them using this tool in a very efficient manner. The other thing we need to understand is that when dealing with the import function, you should be able to know the limit given by the server or the limit set by the phpInit file. Now for this case, this server has given us a limit of 64 megabytes. That is the maximum file that we can import. Also, the format of the compression that we can use. In this case, you can use gzip, or if it's an uncompressed one, it can be a .sql or .sql.zip format. When you have your file selected from wherever it is, you can click Import for you to import the tables. As for the export function, you will just navigate to Export and choose the file format that you wish to export. Whether it's SQL, JSON, CSV, LaTeX, Microsoft Word, Open Document, PHP Array, XML, YAML, and more. Once you have your file selected, just click Export. Depending on how large the file is, the system will work on your query and you'll have the file in your downloads. That's it for now. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more.